In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Monday.com and collect responses directly into your board. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want all form responses to be stored. This is important because every answer submitted through the form will appear here automatically as a new item, so you want to make sure you're working in the correct board from the beginning. If you already have a board set up for tracking requests, registrations, or internal submissions, that's a great place to start. Once you're inside the board, add the columns for the information you want to collect. Think of each column as a field in your form. For example, if you want people to enter details like a request type, a date, a status, or additional notes, those should each have their own corresponding column on the board. Setting this up carefully makes your form much more useful later because the incoming responses will be organized automatically in the right structure. After your columns are ready, click Add View. This is where Monday.com lets you create different ways to interact with the same board. From the available options, choose Form. Monday.com will then generate a form based on the columns you've already created, which saves time and helps keep everything connected to your workflow. Next, customize the form title, description, and questions. This is the part where you make the form clear and user-friendly. Use a title that tells people exactly what the form is for, and add a short description if they need context or instructions before filling it out. Then review each question carefully. Make sure the wording is simple, direct, and easy to understand. A clean, well-labeled form usually leads to better responses and fewer mistakes. When the form looks the way you want, copy the form link and share it with the people who need access. Depending on your use case, this could be shared in a message, added to a website, or sent through your usual communication channels. Before sending it out broadly, it's a good idea to test the form yourself once, just to confirm everything appears correctly and submits as expected. Finally, review submissions as new items on the board. Every time someone fills out the form, their responses will be added automatically, making it easy to track, organize, and manage incoming information in one place. This setup is especially helpful if you want to streamline data collection without manually entering responses. And that's how to create a form in Monday.com and have submissions flow directly into your board.